Okay, so as we were saying, Pumina, we have the following pattern, which is arithmetic. So keyword arithmetic, let's highlight that one. They tell us what this thing is arithmetic. So we are going to check the formulas that are associated with arithmetic. So these are the things that you can use when it says arithmetic. My pen, arithmetic. Once they say arithmetic, they mean this is what they are saying to you. They're saying these are the people that you can use only. The people that you can use this one, arithmetic, this one, arithmetic, this one, arithmetic. The rest, they don't work.
Yes.
So those are the people that you can use. You can either use Tn is equal to An, n minus 1, multiplied by d. Or you can use Sn is going to be equal to n all over 2, and then open bracket 2a, and so on and so on. So now we have an idea which these are the two formulas that we can use. And then the other thing that we should also do is this one here. Since we're talking about an arithmetic, we should talk about properties of an arithmetic. Arithmetic has something that we call a common difference. It has a first common difference. So what do we mean by that? We mean if an is given term number 2 minus term number 1, this is going to be equal to term number 3 minus term number 2. This is the first difference. So term number 2 minus term number 1 is going to be equal to T3 minus T2, which is going to be equal to T4 minus T3. So as soon as they give us arithmetic, we might be asked to use that into our advantage. So because I said this thing here is an arithmetic, we're going to continue with the statement. It says it has a common difference.
Yes.
Common difference is D.
Yes.
So they told us which one is D. D is equal to 4. So this thing here has a common difference of what? Of 4. Sharp.
Yes.
And then they say 3 minus 1 and 2x plus 8 are the fourth. This is T4, you come and write it on top.
Yes.
And this one is the 7th term. This one is T number 7, respectively.
Yes.
The way they written them, I'm sure the first one and the second one, they say within that particular order. So the first one is going to take T7, the first one is going to take T4, the other one is going to take what? T7. But I like what part-time did. Part-time, don't sleep there. So, because with arithmetic, you have the option of which this thing can be, we can use the properties of an arithmetic of saying T2 minus term number 1. If the terms are consecutive, consecutive means they are one from the other, they are following each other. So what Patan did was to say this thing here. He said, Patan, you said A, you don't know. What did you write here? You said term number 1, you don't know. And then you said term number 2, you don't know also. And then you said term number 3, you also don't know. And then you came and said, you know what is term number 4? What is term number 4? Term number 4 is 3x minus 1. And it's proper. Now, why are you doing this? We're doing this just in case they gave us term number 3 and term number 4. Because if they gave us term number 3 and term number 4, then you can come and do something like this. You can say term number 4 minus term number 3. But in this case, we're going to say, okay, we don't have term number, we don't have term number 3. So that one won't work because you have an unknown here. You go to term number 5, you don't know. You go to term number 6, you also don't know. So you don't have consecutive terms, so you should check that. And then you go to term number 7. Term number 7 is given as 2x plus 3.
Yes.
So what is this one? This one is term number what number? Number 7. Now, since this is coding, we're going to use the coding into our advantage. What do we know? We know the following. We are told number 1, we are told which we have term number 4. According to coding, if we are using the formula that says Tn is going to be equal to A plus n minus 1 d, here's what we're going to tell them. We're going to tell them which term number 4 is going to be given by A plus 4 minus 1 multiplied by d. And then it says term number 4 is going to be given by A plus 3d. We're fine with that one. But now we know what is term number 4. They told us what is term number 4. What is term number 4?
3x minus 1.
Term number 4 is.
3x minus 1.
So we're going to come and substitute 3x minus 1.
Yes.
So yeah, you're going to come and say, but this thing here we know, this one here it's 3x minus 1. And then this is going to be equaling to a plus, remember the other person that we know is t, they gave us,
Yes.
and then they told us what is t. So we're going to have 3
4.
multiplied by,
4.
is 3 multiplied by what? By 4.
4.
I'll still find that.
Yes.
And then from the onwards, we have 3 multiplied by 4
1.
is 12. So we have 3x minus 1, which is going to be a plus 12.
Yes.
Can I add these two?
No, unlike terms.
They're unlike terms.
Yes.
They're unlike terms. We can't add them. I know it's tempting, but especially with exam, we start to say, therefore, it's 12a. Which is, I think the exams of exam. Oh, therefore, it's a to the power of 12. A to the power of 12. Okay, we can't do anything about them,
Yes.
but we can take this one to this other side.
Mm.
And then it's positive.
Yes.
If it comes this side, it's going to be how
Negative.
much? Then it says 3x minus 13 is equal to what? To 8. At least if you got up until here, you would have gotten some marks.
Yes.
Then the other one that they gave us, T7.
Yes.
Let's look into T7. T7 is going to be equal to A plus 6D. But they told us what is T7.
Yes.
What is T7?
2x plus 8.
2x plus 8.
Yes.
So we have 2x plus 8, which is going to be equal to A plus D multiplied by, we know what is D.
Yes.
6 multiplied by D. D but
4.
4. Again, 4 multiplied by 6, it gives us
24.
So you have A plus 24. Can I add these two?
No.
Again, my friend, tell them why I can't add them. You need to remind them, unlike terms.
Yes. Yes.
We have unlike terms.
Yes.
And then from here onwards, what can we do?
Transpose.
We can take this one to this other side.
Yes.
It was positive. It goes to this side, it becomes what? So we have 2x minus
16.
minus 16.
Also 16.
It's going to be equal to what? To
A.
A.
Mathematics.
This one is equal to your man, these people.
Mm.
This one is A, your man. A is equal to what? To A. So we can tell them that. We can safely say A is equal to A. I can say what? Oh, my A. So I should fix my handwriting. Oh, I will try to fix my handwriting. So we have 2x minus 16 is equal to 3x minus 13. How much have you written here? Here.
No.
And then we want to get x the subject.
Yes.
Yeah, this one, remember, this one is like this one.
Yes.
So this one is that side. It's fine.
Yes.
So what are we going to do? Which one? Which one do you want to take?
3x.
You want to take it to this side.
Yes.
And then you want to take 16 this side. If this one goes this side, you have minus
X.
x is going to be equal to 3. We divide by negative. And it says x is going to
Minus 3.
be minus 3. Now we got the value of x. For a question like this one, they would have given us something like 3 marks or 4. Yeah, it's 3 marks. So let's check what is it that they're going to mark. They're going to mark equation number 1 and equation number 2. So they're going to give us a mark for equation number 1 and equation number 2. Yeah, so we're going to say here, Masha, 1. Masha, 1. And we're also going to say 1 here. And then we're also going to say 1 here. All in all, you get your 3. Chan, are you good? Okay. Find the first 3 terms. They said calculate the first term of the series. First term of the series is what? It's A. Getting A. You already have a formula that is A. Which one do you want us to use? Which one should we use? Anyone? This is equal to A, and then this is also equal to A. So we'll just take one. So let's take this one that says 2x minus 16 is equal to A. So if we take that one, it says which are going to have A, which is going to be given by 2. Open bracket. Minus 3. And then, now we are preparing for exam. Marsh. Even if you couldn't get X, continue with the next question. Use the X that you got. There's a letter who got 9. When you go to the next question, you come and substitute 9 here. You are going to get full marks. You are going to penalize you for getting the X correct. I'm showing. We are done with that one. Whatever X that you got here, you don't stop. That is the other thing that we should remind each other. Which just because you couldn't solve the first question, it doesn't mean which is the end of the world. That learner is going to take the 9 that they got, and then they're going to come and substitute it here.
Yes.
And then they have 2x minus 16.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then they're going to say we have
Minus 22.
minus 22.
Yes.
A is going to be equal to
Minus 22.
and I think it's 2 marks. Yeah. Oh, 1 mark.
It's 3.
It's
3
3.
marks, yes.
3 marks is the first one.
No.
Even this one is 3 marks.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I doubt it. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If the learner is just what I'm worried with, how would they get the A then? Because they need to know the method. Because you see here we already have a formula, and then the formula is the one that led us to what to A. So the learner is supposed to come back and try to get a formula that's going to give them A. Maybe that can be the problem. Which how would they get? Because they're supposed to. I don't know.
In the examination, everything is possible.
Everything is possible.
Yes.
But if you do everything possible, not mathematically correct, these people they penalize us. Okay, let's look into this one. The sum of the first 42 terms, S. We are going to use Sn.
Yes.
Sum of the first 42 terms. Remember, we said on our information sheet for Sn, this is the one that you can use. We have that one if you know what is the last term. It's not there. You can see that. That is why we prefer this one. So let's go there. With this one, we are going to tell them which we are looking for S20.
42.
S42. No?
Yes.
Yeah, let's put it here. S42. So, what are we going to say here? We're going to tell them start with the formula. We copy it from the information sheet. What does it say? What does the formula says? Malupi. It's Sn. It's equal to
2000.
and all over 2. Yeah. It's 2. Okay, let's correct our 8. What is N? N 42. No?
Yes.
What is A? Minus 22.
Yes.
What is D?
4.
We are told that one.
Yes.
And then we're going to come and say we have S
42.
42. No? This is going to be equal to 42 all over 2. 2 multiplied by minus 22 plus 42 minus 1
4.
multiplied by 1 by 4.
There's no sign. There's no sign there.
There's no?
Sign minus.
Oh, you want me to put minus here?
Minus.
Okay, let's type it in our calculator. How would you type it in your calculator? You say fraction. And then you have 42 all over 2. And then open bracket. And then you have 2 open bracket again. Minus 22 close bracket plus.
Okay. We don't want in the 42.
Let's give her a cold drink. She's sleep. Give her a cold drink. That one.
Which one?
That one. She's sleep. Go and pour a cold drink. She's sleepy that one.
History.
I'm saying poor for that girl. She's sleepy that one. Close the bracket. No?
Yes.
Equals to.
Mistake. 2,000.
I need to close the bracket again.
Yay.
Which one?
That one. Tuesday. You need to multiply. You need to multiply.
Where did I go wrong? Huh?
Tuesday. Oh, fellow. Yeah. Oh, fellow.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Tuesday.
Oh, the multiplication. Oh, okay. So instead, I should have said multiplication.
Yes.
Okay, and if I say equals to now, it's going,
2,520.
2,520.
Yes.
2,501.
20.
So it's best if we do multiplication
Yes.
than the brackets. Okay.